Hi, I'm Kevin Klein, State Bar President. Our panel discussion here today was back to the future, a look at what may be ahead of us as lawyers. The first highlight I talked about was technology. We all think of technology as what we should have in our law offices in order to do the work that we think we need to do. And historically, lawyers would decide how they were going to do that, and there wasn't a lot of input from others as to how the work should be done. I wanted to focus on the fact that we also need to think about technology from the client's point of view, how they want to be contacting us, how they want information to be exchanged, and how efficiently they expect the work to be done. Another main area was how we divide up our daily work. As we go forward, we have to do it economically, but we also have to take into account case mix and what we're able to do as there is more competition. As a true sole practitioner, I work on all different types of cases, and I think historically I would have looked at those cases and said, you want to be able to do business, you want to be able to help the clientele. A lot of this is determined by your geographic location. With changes in technology and changes in the economy, I think the biggest challenge for a sole practitioner is to say, am I able to do other types of work? Am I able to do types of work that I would prefer to do, regardless of where located, whether nationally or internationally? And how do I make that work out economically, given that clients have expectations and we may have to do work more efficiently and actually charge less for it? So if I summarize all of that for the sole practitioner, the issue is, on a daily basis, what is the case mix that best works for me and allows me to continue to practice? I don't want to be practicing in areas that no longer exist as a lucrative market, that no longer exist in the eyes of the potential client if they feel they can obtain that work elsewhere or do the work on their own. I think that's unique to each sole practitioner. They're going to have to determine where they're located and what work is available to them. It is a benefit to have solo and small firm attorneys get together for at least a couple of reasons. First of all, one of the things that's difficult for any attorney, especially a solo or small firm, is a lot of your time is taking up simply going to work and trying to get through that day with the work you have to complete. You really need to take a step back and talk with other solo and small firm attorneys, see what they're doing, see what the trends are, so that you can fashion your own practice. But the other thing that's a real benefit is that the communication among the attorneys is going to give new ideas and new perspective. So you join those two things together, and it is the single opportunity, really, for solo and small firm attorneys to get some benefit from those that have the same types of problems.